Okay, we've got these pieces rounded down, so now they'll blend in good together when we seal our head. So I made two marks, one here and one here. This is where we're going to put our bolts for our head. And what I got is I have a 1 inch by 1 inch by 1/2 inch. I marked the center. Use my little punch here to make a hole so we can drill a hole through here. We're going to use a 1 inch screw. And we have a 1/2 inch dowel, which is 1 1/4 inches, which will go in here. So first thing we're going to do is drill our side holes. So we drilled a hole in here, and we'll glue this into here, and then we'll screw this part onto here. Then we'll have our bolts for our head. So I'll do the same to the other side. You don't need to go all the way through, but if you do, it's okay. So that's where these are going to go. So now we're going to take our square inch for the bolt, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. I'm going to drill down through here. And then we'll take our Dremel tool and we'll inset it a little bit. And that's so we can inset our screw, and then we can cover it up later. When we seal it, we'll be able to put a little bit of putty on that, and that'll hide that. So we're going to take our 1/2 inch dowel. And I'm going to drill just a little bit of a pilot hole in here in the middle so I can make sure I set it right. And put some glue in here, and this will keep it from spinning on you. But you want to drill a pilot hole so your piece doesn't split when you try to, if you just try to screw it, you're going to split this piece out. So we'll let that set aside and dry. Like I say, this and your ears are going to be the last thing you put on your head. Otherwise you might be bumping it when you're working on the inside and everything else. Again, we'll take our 1/2-inch dowel. Like I say, we'll just make a pilot hole in that. Put a little glue in here. You don't want to over tighten it because that'll make it split also. Just want to make it nice and snug because that glue will do the job for you. So now we'll set these both aside and we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.